the health would go up quite a lot. And then we would be able to stand here proudly in the next to next Wiki conference and say, yes, we are doing good, we are doing okay. But as of now, we all need to gird down and get down to this challenge. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ashwin. Next, I'm inviting Mr. User D. Vyas from Gujarati Wikipedia.
Hi, I'm Dhaval, contribute as user D. S. Vyas, and I'm from Gujarati Wikipedia. Wikipedia Gujarati story is not very old, you know, this all standard stuff. We are very close to Devanagari script, so script-wise, it's not too difficult to read for anybody who knows Hindi at least. Some of the letters are even quite similar to Bangla. So there is some correlation between these for anyone because we have got very few, you'll see in next slides, that we have got very few editors, contributors. So I invite Hindi, Bangla at least, to come and contribute on our Gujarati Wikipedia, but in proper Gujarati script. So this is just a brief statistics of what we have. India itself has 6.5 crore Gujarati speakers. And you see that? Oldest wiki page is in Gujarati, when we had just 5 years back. And today, Gujarati literature stands 1100 years. So Gujarati literature started nearly 1100 years back, and our first article started just 5 years back. And after when we had the first article, it took too long for us to reach, like, I think Gujarati Wikipedia started somewhere in July 2006, July 2007. And by November or December 2008, when I joined, we had hardly 460 or some articles. And then, since then, now, in 3 years, we have got 21,000 plus. And to be really very honest, we don't have many sub-stubs, one-liners or whatever we call it. Yes, we do have many stubs, which you will definitely expect from a small community contributing there. But out of 21,710, I would say probably 1% would be comprising sub-stubs. So that's our strict policy, not to have sub-stubs. If someone has created sub-stub, we would rather prefer to delete it or immediately enhance it and bring it to stubs level, which would at least have few sentences, not just one sentence or two sentences. But yes, to improve stub and get it to a proper page level is a bit difficult task at this moment. With active users, 70 plus, we say these active users could be the one who would have yesterday joined or joined last week. But the ones who does more than 1,000 edits, you can see only 9. And out of these 9 currently, there are only 6 active. So those who have been contributing more than 1,000 articles, somewhere 3 of them have already stopped doing it. Now, today it stands that only 6 of us does frequent edits. And that has really brought it to this level, 21,700. Out of 66.5, so 6.5 crore, or let's forget about 7.5, at least Indians. If Indians start contributing, this is what? A fraction of total Gujarati speakers? Don't know, there must be many Gujarati speakers here because Mumbai has a large population of Gujaratis. Are there any anybody who speaks Gujarati? Oh, at least few. So, and do you write in Gujarati? Or do you read in Gujarati? Okay, I won't ask you write. Do you read in Gujarati? Good. So if you read in Gujarati, you can now write in Gujarati. Yeah? So you should expect a welcome message from me tomorrow, and I would expect you to see there, and me sending you welcome message tomorrow on Gujarati Wikipedia. Oh, why tomorrow? Tonight. Thank you. Thank you. I'll count on you. Yeah. So with this.
Thank you. Yes. Now our next language is Hindi, but unfortunately I haven't got any volunteers from Hindi Wikipedia. That itself shows the community activity there, but a user from Hindi Wikipedia sent me the slide and asked me to present that slide before you, me representing the community. So I am doing for Hindi Wiki community. Hindi Wiki community, this is the current statistics of Hindi Wiki community, which is just showing the page views per month is close to 85 lakhs. Article count is close to 1 lakh. New articles per day 11. Edits per month, it is close to 1 lakh. But when you come to next important parameter, active editors, there you can see that he is not doing good. Very active editors is just 14. But when you see the number of speakers, it is close to 55 crore. That itself is showing the state of Hindi Wikipedia, where it can grow and what is its current state. So out of 55 crore speakers, we just have 56 Hindi native speakers contributing to Hindi Wikipedia. That is, I should say 0.001% of the total number of speakers. Average edits per page is 5, and registered users, see 56,000 people registered in Hindi Wikipedia, but out of which only 56 people are editing. So that is current state of Hindi Wikipedia, and I request all of those speakers whose native language is Hindi to come and visit Hindi Wikipedia and please contribute to it. So the community activism and the wiki projects that they can do in Hindi Wikipedia and the current state of Hindi Wikipedia will be changed in the near future. So these are the future plans. Transfer all the existing images from Hindi Wikipedia to Wikimedia Commons. Organizing editing workshop for Hindi speakers. Many other Indic Wikipedias are already in touch with Hindi Wikipedians to conduct wiki workshops for Hindi. Then adding more editors and increase the number of administrators, of course, because Hindi is the biggest community. And we all hope by this year, next time, we will have at least 1,000 users active in Hindi Wikipedia. Thanks. Thank you. Next, I am calling Mr. Swaroop Rao from Kannada Wikipedia to represent Kannada.
Good evening. My name is Swaroop, and I used to be an active editor at Kannada Wikipedia. So the growth of Kannada Wikipedia in particular hasn't been exponential as we have seen in other Indic wiki projects. It has been quite steady actually, and it even has been declining in recent times. But despite that, we recently crossed 10,000 articles, which is, considering the number of active editors, which is quite a good milestone. And yeah, again, because of the experience of Wikipedians, the depth of articles is good. But we still don't see new editors contributing to the Wikipedia. Again, the number of fairly active editors is around 10 to 12, which is quite good compared to other Indic languages. But there is no community interaction. I mean, you don't see people using the discussion forums or anything. People just keep to themselves. And coming to Wiktionary, actually, Wiktionary has only 2 to 3 active editors. I mean, but they're really dedicated. We have around more than 135,000 entries. And it's supposedly the 19th largest Wiktionaries, counting all WMF projects. And it's, of course, one of the largest Wiktionaries among Indic wiki project. And I really wish I could call any editor over here, but I don't think anyone is here. I mean, we have one editor who has more than 80,000 edits to Wiktionary. I mean, he's basically a one-man army. He's been contributing a hell lot of entries to Wiktionary. Again, there is a lot of content development as such, but there is no community interaction. Well, the community is composed of 2 members basically, so obviously you wouldn't expect anything else. So, yeah, I guess. Thank you.
Thank you, Suru. So next let me call, I am calling Mr. Vishwaprabha from Malayalam to represent the Malayalam wiki community.
Thank you, Shiju. Hello all, good evening. Uh, we have only 4 minutes. In the universe of knowledge, we are just a galaxy to be explained in 4 minutes. We don't know. We'll make it. We have stopped looking at the statistics pushing us, but they are chasing us. Statistics just follows us. We do quality work. That's what is our motto now. The number of articles is still not enough, but that is 21,085. Just recently we crossed. The rate of growth of the number of articles is going in an exponential way. Registered users, which is also an index of rather how many people read Wikipedia, not just edit or write, is more than 30,000. In fact, there is, I assume that this will be only 50% of the people who actually care to log in before they read the Wikipedia. Among them, the active users are 287. Very active users are consistently 24 with more than 100 edits per month. In fact, there are some months there are even more. And the total edits is now more than 1,235,000. The average edits per article, which is actually another measure of quality, is 30. We have very few single-line documents, articles. In fact, there is a project. Any single-line article is treated either very harshly or very softly. We make them to full-sized articles somehow. I would just go on not with the statistics, but what are our other subjective problems, the strengths, weakness, and opportunities and threats. In the strengths, we have a language which is spoken by Keralites. That is already a community very well known all over the world for its very special high rates of socio-economic welfare indices. Like whether it comes to literacy, infant mortality rate, or family welfare, whatever, Kerala is a very special community within India. And the same thing we have seen also as a factor within Wikipedia. A vast number of diaspora. We have lots of people working out of Kerala, almost everywhere in the world and India. So they all have, many of them are well educated, and some of them have very good expertise in some particular subject matters, and they all support us, and that's one of our greatest strengths. Third is about the target community, Kerala. In Kerala, we have been having big, massive collaborative projects since independence, some of them like the cooperative movements. We even had a cooperative literary writers society long back since 1950s. And then the library, village library schemes and anti-illiteracy campaigns. And they all, we are very used to collaborative, massive revolution. Political urge and the government. The government has a vision, although it's a little not enough. The people at the government level knows about, they have a vision about how every such project goes on. And the recent years, they have started promoting Wikipedia very seriously. In fact, in some of the domains that probably nowhere in the world they have even imagined. Like we are going to infuse Wikipedia into most of the school curriculum and universities in a very, very big way, potentially creating almost 3 million articles per year. But the groundwork for that is on the in the pipelines. But we do have weaknesses. The perception about Wikipedia by the people as not a source of reliable knowledge. Every time when I talk to a villager or some people who knows just about the Wikipedia, they have a problem. They think that Wikipedia is editable and people do corrupt it and a lot of information is wrong. We say, the right shall persist and the evil shall perish. So eventually all of them will get more and more reliable, and we believe in ourselves, Wikipedia will be as reliable or even better than any pulp encyclopedia. The second one is the lack of consensus in Unicode standards. We have a very, very difficult language when it comes to the complex script scribing within the computers. Malayalam has particular problems, issues, and debates, and groups, and interest, and everything regarding some particular characters and characteristics of Malayalam. But it's a matter of time. We will all still form consensus, and we'll be walking over those hurdles. The lack of sufficient and reliable infrastructure. Like every place in India, we do not have an uninterrupted electrical supply or internet connectivity everywhere. In fact, many of the people have a problem in accessing Wikipedia. But again, it's a matter of time. We will go up in the social way, so everyone will have better connectivity and better resources. Underdeveloped algorithms. This is one of the problems actually faced by all complex script languages, all Indic languages, but in Malayalam, again, we have this big consciousness of alternate content search. For example, semantic search. And our script writers and others have already started thinking of that to find language-sensitive search algorithms. We will incorporate them, and probably others will also take lessons and lessons from Malayalam Wikipedia, I hope. Lack of proper copyright and copyleft affairs. This is another thing. People who start editing Wikipedia, many times they think that they can just copy-paste some content from somewhere else and put into this thing. And some people just take Wikipedia articles and without referring Wikipedia, they try to produce somewhere else. But this is also a matter of time. People are getting more and more aware of such issues. Our opportunities are tremendous. We are thinking of, we have just seen a galaxy at a long distance and our cameras are just zooming in. Someday we know the real might of galaxy. So the growth of awareness among the common mass, the people on the road is getting more and more better in an exponential way. The governmental initiatives to infuse Wikipedia directly into schools is going to be our biggest opportunity. Maybe that will actually really break through Malayalam as a very, very important language portal in all the Wikipedia, among all the Wikipedia. Our press and media have started referring and quoting from Wikipedia in a big way, especially from Malayalam Wikipedia and especially about Kerala-related articles. And this gives us a lot of motivation because whatever we write, somebody else is going to quote and it's going to be records. It's the reverse flow of citations and references. Increased awareness among mass media and school college students. In fact, it is surprising that even a 5th standard student talk about Wikipedia and they discuss about Wikipedia and they start creating the Wikipedia because most of our people, the bigger people, we do it out of satisfaction or rather kind of a personal ego or something. But those students, they are creating the Wikipedia, the real articles by a kind of enthusiastic creation. But we do have threats, and we have to be very vigilant about them. The knowledge base of foregone era, just the last generation, which has been seeing tremendous transformations during last few years or decades, that generation is fading off, and the knowledge is also fading off. It is the critical threat that we all face, especially in Kerala. We need to acquire all of them and get into Wikipedia very soon, and this is time critical. The other one is vested interests. For example, any social or religious or political, any sectorial interest may come into the Wikipedia just to promote their ideas, but we do it with a very high neutral point of view and harshly but still lovingly we accept them. They both act as accelerators and brakes because there is always a counter group which comes as a brake and another kind of rivaling accelerator. So overall, we think that that's also an opportunity. The English is slowly taking over as a spoken language in Kerala, like many other places. This may be temporary or it may be permanent. But I think if Wikipedia is strong enough, we can cash back all those mass back into a real working, functional, local Malayalam. And the vandalism, like everywhere, vandalism may come like a wave or a tsunami sometimes, but we have a big army to fight against that. And the special achievements, we do have several special achievements. These are the 2 CDs we created. They are first in the world in several counts. One is selected articles from the Wikipedia, all on for offline use in normal, for the rather internet, not enabled users. The users not web enabled. And the other one is a Wikisource CD, which I think is a treasure for everyone who reads Malayalam, which contains almost all the articles in the Wikisource, which is already a rich content. And then our outreach statistics is tremendous because we were the first people to start wiki academies or wiki workshop among all the Indian Wikipedias. And now we have done more than 20. Almost every month we have a wiki academy somewhere, sometimes in a very small village or sometimes in a cosmopolitan city. And the annual community week-ups with a responsibility with all this thing has a large participation. Malayalam loves Wikimedia. When we start a project like that, we had 2,100 or more media files, photos and videos uploaded within very few days into the commons. The Narayam input tool is done by one of our promising young talent, and now Narayam has gone universal everywhere. As you may know, to the Indic Wikipedias, that is one of the greatest tools right now, which makes our transliterations very easy. Then the school students have started digitizing. So some of the schools take up an old book and they do all the scanning, conversion, texting, everything, corrections, and then finally we have a good full swing Wikisource book, all done by very small, tiny little ones. And also we have been talking to the government agencies, and we have a very proactive interaction with them. And we have been able to take one complete department, the electricity board, to make all their data and programs, everything onto free license. So we are able to reproduce them in Wikipedia, and then Wikipedia acts as a sub-reference or secondary reference to their activities. The same thing goes for the State Encyclopedia Institute, which had already published a very large encyclopedia in Malayalam, and all that information is today available in Wikipedia as editable encyclopedia. We have future outlook, our potential contributors, but I will cut short now. I think I took much more time, but I'm sorry, but I'm also thankful. I appreciate everyone to listen to this. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishwaprabha. Next, we shall go to Marathi. I am inviting Mr. Mandar Kulkarni from Marathi Wikipedia to represent Malayalam.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Mandar Kulkarni. I am an editor of Marathi Wikipedia. So now by that time you must have been familiar with this particular page. This is the Mukha Prushtha, that is the main page of Marathi Wikipedia. And this is very interesting page where you will find a lot of links and all that. Just to introduce that, this is Marathi Wikipedia main page. Okay, this is a very important slide which has been taken from the Wikipedia, where it shows the growth of Marathi Wikipedia. Marathi Wikipedia started immediately after Assami Wikipedia in the year 2003. Fortunately started on the Maharashtra Day, that is on 1st of May 2003, with the article called as Vasanta Panchami. So this is the first registered kind of history maintained in the Marathi Wikipedia. And at that time, there were hardly very few kind of editors and even kind of admins over there. There are hardly like Abhay Nathu and maybe a couple of other people would be there. But if you see, after 2006, it has really started taking a shape. Like I have just put the milestones as per the year. Like in the year 2006, we crossed 5,000 articles, and by say this year kind of thing, till date we have got around 34,700 articles. With the graph, you may find interesting that the growth is not very exponential. There is a growth, but it is kind of steady but not exponential, especially after 2009. The simple reason for that whatever the new article, new articles getting created, those are of little number rather than we are contributing in the existing articles. So whatever the editor base what we have, either we are contributing, like adding photographs from the Wikimedia Commons, like putting the photographs first of all in the Wikimedia Commons and adding into the Marathi Wikipedia, or adding a info box, updation of the right information, and updation adding as much as information in the Marathi Wikipedia. So that is the primary work what presently we are doing. And also there is major cleanup activity which is getting on by our admins. So roughly, if we are say creating say 200 articles in a month, roughly 50-60 articles which are kind of old, which are not having content kind of thing. So we are just simply removing that article and kind of thing. So cleanup activity also plays a major role in kind of this particular stable growth. This is a kind of current status of Marathi Wikipedia. We are in the 66th rank from all over the world. That is 282 languages over there. Actually, we were at around rank of 60 last year, but some of the languages has surpassed Marathi. The reason is that as we are improving the content and the quality of Marathi Wikipedia, we are not jumping upon the numbers as such. So that is the primary reason now we are at 66th. As far as Indic languages are concerned, we are at number 4. Then as I have already informed, communicated that we are having 34,700 articles, and there is a good amount of addition after 2006. Total pages are around 94,000, and number of edits are around 8,78,000. The latest, sorry, as per the latest update, we are having 11 admins in Marathi Wikipedia. Just to tell you that there is quite a misconception among the people that Marathi Wikipedia must be in Mumbai or Pune, or maybe from Nagpur. No, the fact is not like that. We have people from all over the world. Like there are 2 admins who are sitting in US, 1 admin sitting in Singapore. There are quite a few contributing editors sitting in Australia, and there are few editors who are inner part of the Maharashtra, like the places like Nevasa, which is a taluka place, and many other places. So it is purely kind of a diversified area where our editors are contributing. So that is a kind of a strength of Marathi Wikipedia, that it doesn't only belong to one area or kind of one community as such. There are total around 2,000 registered users, and presently we are around 150 active editors as such, apart from our admins. So these 150 active editors are really contributing day in, day out on Marathi Wikipedia, and that is actually increasing the overall volume and the contents of Marathi Wikipedia. Presently we have got 58 bots in Marathi Wikipedia, what we normally call as a Sankamya, and they are also helping a lot, like doing some cleanup, giving links in the interwiki, and putting up the info boxes and many other things. So they are also contributing very much as far as, means these are some of the technical aspects what we are doing. So we are taking help of technical team also to develop the bots and applying to the Marathi Wikipedia articles. As far as depth is concerned, 28 is a very good numbers as far as Marathi Wikipedia is concerned, and this number was around 20 last year. But as the quality of Marathi articles is improving, the links and many other things, this depth is 28. So if you compare the overall depth of other languages, this is very good, and we should be proud of that. This is some old stuff what I have received from one of my friend, that this is a traffic analysis of India languages. So of course English is at the very top, that is contributing to 78% of the traffic. You would see Marathi is at the 6th place, which is contributing only 2.1%. So we know that Marathi Wikipedia is a kind of small group, small community and all that. Like English has got over 38 lakhs of articles, we have got only 34,000 articles. So we accept the fact. So that is, but there is a wide scope for not only Marathi but other languages also to improve upon the contents and the other stuff as well. So these are some of the names of the admins what we have. I was telling about the places where they belong. Abhay Nathu, he is in US, he is in software, so sitting in US, he is contributing for last 8 years. Sankalpa is from Singapore, so he's contributing for last more than 5 years. Mahidgar was in Africa, so he was contributing for last 7 years. So practically you see that we have got very old admins and all that, and they are consistently contributing for years together in Marathi Wikipedia, and they have got rich experience as far as the number of edits are concerned, and the contribution what they have done for the Marathi Wikipedia. Some of the project I would like to mention on Marathi Wikipedia, what we did. Actually, many people work they always see the page recent changes, and whatever they like, they kind of update something and kind of thing. But some of the editors on Marathi Wikipedia really work on a project basis. So like some of them are engineers kind of thing. So we believe on project management. So we really take out some of the projects and work on that. So these are some of the projects we recently completed in last 1 year. That is geography details updations in articles of states, district, taluka and town. Dr. Sachin from Nevasa, who had really contributed on that. Then forts in Maharashtra, so that is my favorite topic, being I am a trekker. So we have updated most of the information of forts in Maharashtra, including the photographs and all that, and this project was recently completed. Some of the contents like chemical elements was updated. This is a project classical singers. Like we have very few information as far as the classical singers even in English Wikipedia. So like whatever the Indian classical singers or Maharashtrian classical singers and all that, we don't have enough information. So we are getting information from various sources like media and whatever other places, and we have done this very good project. So I urge people to go to Marathi Wikipedia and look at this particular project. Just one second. What happened when this is also a kind of recent activity we are doing, and US President. So this is a project which was taken by Sankalpa, like updation of complete information of all US Presidents, start from day 1 till date and all that. So this project was also completed in the month of September. These are some of our future plans as far as Marathi Wikipedia is concerned. Increase the outreach. Actually, whatever the efforts what we are doing, like conducting wiki academies and generating the interest among the people, kind of attract them to come to Wikipedia, make the login and start contributing and all that. Adding more editors, so that is a challenge what we are observing. Like whatever the people come, we have to retain those editors so that they will contribute to Marathi Wikipedia in the longer run. Then we are also working on simplifying the Devanagari input. We are getting an input from many people as well, and we are working on that. We are also working like increase the reach to various academies. Like there are many colleges and schools in Pune where we are kind of communicating that we need information from you, like Itihas Sanshodhan Mandal and many other places, and they are ready to share such kind of information, and that really contribute to Marathi Wikipedia as such. And as I was saying in the last slide, that we would be working more on project-based activities, because that gives more output than working kind of haphazard. Like if you take a project, contribute like say 100, 200, 500 articles in the particular project, that gives enormous output as far as the limitations of number of editors is concerned. So these are some of the activities what we have planned primarily in Pune. Definitely we would be adding some activities in Mumbai as well. Like in Mumbai we conducted Wiki Academy in the month of October. Rahul Deshmukh conducted that Wiki Academy. So we are planning for many more such Wiki Academies in Marathi language across the colleges in Pune. Also we recently conducted Marathi Wikipedia and Wikipedia Commons lecture on photography of Pune and all that. So that activity just last week we did. So I just mentioned that, and some of the activities like Take Marathi event. So see, many people are coming together and sharing their knowledge. So we thought that why can't we get say a couple of hours from their full day event and can do the advertising and kind of pulling the people from them as well, as far as the as Marathi Wikipedia is concerned. So we would be having a series of events which are planned till February, and we are confident that we would be adding more and more articles, more and more depth, and more details in Marathi Wikipedia. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manda. And all people who are interested in Marathi Wikipedia, there is a separate track that is running on this Sunday on Marathi Wikipedia and related topics. So please, who are interested in Marathi Wikipedia, please attend that session. Next is, actually I missed one language, that is Nepali. Before I am going to Odia, I missed the slides. Can the volunteer from Nepali Wikipedia can come forward?
Good evening. It's me, Saroj. I'm from Nepal, and I'm one of the SysOp admin in Nepali Wikipedia, as well as an active member. I contribute from India, though, and we missed our slide, so I'm going to speak as an extempore talk. And the recent developments in Nepali Wikipedia for this year is like, we have grown our size by 300% in our number of articles and active users. Active users number has reached to 86, and the number of articles is close to 16,000. It is small though. And why Nepali Wikipedia in India? That is the another question arising, because Nepali is a lingua franca. It is the official language of Nepal. Why it is coming to India? It is because of geographical diversity of the speakers of Nepali language. Nepali language speakers are there all over in the northern part of the West Bengal, Darjeeling district, Sikkim district, and Siliguri districts. There are about 14 million speakers of Nepali language. Not only there, we have Nepali speakers who speak Nepali language as their mother tongue in Uttarakhand, places like Dehradun, Nainital. And not only in Nepal and India, we have a large number of speakers of Nepali language in Bhutan and Myanmar as well. But even though we have a big number of speakers of Nepali language all over the world, we don't have active participants or participants in Nepali Wiki. We are working on, and the recent things we have done in Nepali Wiki is like we have new software, Nepali Wiki Translator, that has capability to translate English Wikipedia articles into Nepali language. That was released on the Software Freedom Day of this year. We have Nepali Wiki has presented in a conference, Nepal conference organized by Nordic Center, about how we can improve research using social media tools and web tools. And we have lots of plans going ahead. We plan to develop Android apps, because since the Android users' mobile platform is being a dominant platform in the computing, we plan to develop Android apps for translation and development. That's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Next is, I'm inviting Mr. Subhashish from Odia Wikipedia.
Thanks, Shiju, and thanks all of you for giving me this opportunity to speak about the Odia Wiki projects. This a really sad story that Odia Wikipedia is one of the wiki projects that started way back in 2002 with, along with the 3 Indian languages, Assamese, Punjabi, and Odia, with the 3 initial projects of the Wikimedia Foundation for the Indic initiatives. Then Malayalam in the same year, and till 2010, the 10th celebration, there was not much participation in the Odia Wiki activities, And from 2011, February, we have been taking initiatives to grow the community, start projects. The two active projects we have right now is Odia Wikipedia and Odia Wiktionary. Odia Wikipedia, and apart from that, we have incubator project, Wikikatha, that's the Odia Wikicode. Odia Wikipedia that started in 2002, which has 1,778 articles, active community building in the February 2011. Then active users are 37. Total registered number of users are 2,634. Admins 2, bots 7. And total number of pages are 12,541. But the good thing is these days we have been building this community in a very progressive way. We have organized two meetups, one meetup and 2 workshops in Bangalore, one in Bhubaneswar, one in Cuttack, and a monthly meetup. That will be the second Indic monthly meetup after Bangalore. And apart from that, in Baleswar, so totally 7 events. Then the next project is Odia Wiktionary. That started in 2005 and closed because of the lack of active participation in 2009. And this is the first Wikimedia Foundation project which was enabled in 2011, just a few months back when the participation started. This has 54 articles as of now, and 13 users, 443 total number of registered users, admins 2, bot 1, and total pages are 507. And apart from that, the next would be the Wikisource. This is a project we are going to start in a few more days. We are just waiting for the ASCII to Unicode conversion. When it happens, we have something a ready-to-use source, which we will be using as a primary source for the Wikisource. And community info, the community building since February 2011. Active community members as of now 10 to be practical. And academy and workshops 6. Meetups 2. 4 cities, 3, Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, and Baleswar. FAQ booklet that's already been done in PDF as well as in the Wikipedia page. Translate Wiki project, that's not a wiki project, but that's a backend project which basically helps for the UI integration. So 2,552 media wiki messages have already been translated, and 6,580 media wiki extension messages have been translated so far. Narayan is a tool which is used for the Indic language input, basically for the transliteration and InScript. So that has been enabled along with few other Indic languages, and even Odia was one of the few languages which started this Narayan extension. So apart from that, I would like to say that we just have started this community building in 2011, February, just few months back, and it's really an amazing story with the community building, arranging meetups in different places, gathering people. When initially I joined, when one of my seniors, Ashutosh Kara, he just introduced me to the Odia Wikipedia in 2011, February. Before that, I didn't know that there is something called Odia Wikipedia ever existed. The only thing I used to search as a student during my engineering for 4 years was English Wikipedia. And it's really amazing to see all the languages have come up for the wiki initiatives for the different wiki projects, and we have been growing in a very progressive way. I like to say we are organizing workshops and academies, meetups in different places, and it's good to see that people have been talking about Wikipedia these days, and they're the same people who never thought of using Odia language in the web, in the online. So people are getting educated about typing in Odia, and the next step would be probably we have to educate them. There is something called the Odia Wiki projects, so they have to come forward and contribute for that. So, and it's really a beautiful place to share knowledge, I would like to say, please come forward. The languages which are still in a developing phase, or the languages which have a potential to be a wiki projects, and the native speakers should come forward, because 400 languages in this world are dying because of the lack of participation, and unfortunately, India has 350 of them. So this is a really sad story. And I would like to request all of the native speakers, it doesn't matter what language you speak, but that has some importance in the history of humanity, and there should be some motivation behind you being a Wikipedian to bring up that motivation inside you to become a wiki editor. So I'd like to thank all of you for listening to me.
Thank you, Subhashish. Next I am inviting Mr. Swaroop from Sanskrit Wiki community to present the status of Sanskrit Wiki projects.
Good evening, I am back here again. So I think when Shiju showed the slides earlier, we saw that Sanskrit has only around 50,000 as a native speaker base, and considering that we have an article strength of around 6,500. I think considering the speaker base, which is 6,500, is an extremely good figure. The highlights of the Sanskrit Wiki projects is that since the past 10 months, the activity levels have increased dramatically, and I could say exponentially. And what used to be an almost dead wiki project has now we can see more than hundreds of edits every day. And there is a lot of increase in quality of articles in content and as well as in the formatting. And of course, from the past 2 to 3 months, the Narayan extension has been implemented thanks to Shiju and to Junaid. Coming to, we have scholars and contributors from Samskrita Bharati, an organization from Bangalore. I think some of them are sitting there actually. They've done a lot of work on Wikipedia and Wikisource, and they've been the sole driving force behind the activity levels. And because it was a dead wiki, there was no maintenance work which was done previously, and now translation of interface and articles is being done. In Sanskrit Wikipedia, there are more than 6,000 articles. And the extremely good thing is that we are seeing a lot of interaction between editors, which is absent in many other Indic Wiki projects. And there are many collaborations have taken place aimed at improving main pages and articles in general. And again, many gadgets like Twinkle and Hotcat and Pruvit have been installed. And Wikisource, Wikisource is meant for languages like Sanskrit. I mean, people pass off Sanskrit as a dead language and extinct language, and we strive to keep it alive. Actually, we have lots of entries. Like we have the whole of the Mahabharata uploaded in the Wikisource, and along with Vedas like the Samaveda and Kalidasa's works like Raghuvamsham have been uploaded. And there is a lot of depth in entries. I mean, we just don't have one-liner articles or one-liner entries. So, which is very essential for Wikisource. I mean, when you look at Wikisource, you want to look at a comprehensive entry. So, thank you.
Thank you, Suru. Now we have just 2 more languages left. I'm calling Mr. Srikanth from Tamil Wiki community to represent Tamil Wiki projects.
Hi, on behalf of Tamil Wiki community, let me present the state of Tamil Wiki projects. Wikipedia is just being one among them. So on Wikipedia, we have like 41,500 articles, more than around 100 regular and active editors every month. So 80 users at least do 5 edits a month, and 20 users do more than 100 edits per month. Actually, growth has gone like tremendously in the past year. We've got many students and younger generation community members joining in. So that's actually a really reassuring one. And growth has been organic, so it's not like we had like translators or things like that. Yeah, and moving on to Tamil Wiktionary. In fact, Wiktionary is actually equally bigger project for Tamil. We have around 238,000 words. It's the 10th largest Wiktionary, top 10 Wiktionary projects ever in Wiktionary, and got a place in the logo of the main site. We have like 15 active and regular contributors. It's actually a small group which is very active. We actually use the policy of growth by donation. So we ask for donations from universities, governments to donate words and meanings in free licenses. We aim to add pronunciation files for most of the words in future. Tamil Wiki News, it's also quite probably only active Wiki News project. It's 13th largest Wiki News. We have 6,500 articles, 4 regular and active contributors. Wiki News actually plays an important role given the fact of political situation in Sri Lanka and other places. And others, Wikisource and Wiki Books have been moderately active, and we got some kind of revival on both of these projects. Wikicode is still inactive. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Srikanth. So next it is the, I'm calling Mr. C.R. Rao from Telugu Wiki community to represent Telugu Wiki projects.
Thank you. Namaste. I am C.B. Rao and not C.V. Rao as told by our speaker. I am from Hyderabad, the land of Telugu people. Starting from December 2003, Telugu Wiki achieved gradually over the years. Rao Vemuri, Vaka Kiran of Silicon Valley, Katta Murthy of Michigan, and Chava Kiran from Hyderabad laid the foundation for Telugu Wiki articles. Later, Vaisa Hacha from Minnesota, USA, Pradeep from Bangalore, Chaduri and Vivian from Hyderabad improved it to the next stage. At present, many new people have joined Telugu Wiki and made it rich with several informative and interesting articles. The current status of Telugu Wikipedia. It is consistently evolving with the technical help of Vivian, Kolichal Suresh, I Padma, and Nallamotu Sridhar. Telugu Wiki is vibrant with frequent visitors, mostly referred by google.com and independent visitors. We have around 32,97,310 page views per month as on September 2011. That is 76 page views for every minute. Our Telugu Wikipedia is being viewed by the readers. There are around 49,500 articles with yearly growth of 7%. Telugu Wiki has got 22,166 registered users who contribute and give sessions. We are having about 31 editors who are active, and 16 managers are also actively participating in the Telugu Wikipedia. Regarding this promotion of Telugu in electronic and media, Telugu is clearly seen in iPhones, whereas it is not. There are some teething problems while seeing this Telugu in Android-based telephones. We are working upon it with the use of Navina software to rectify the problem so that the users of Android phones can also read Telugu Wikipedia in their mobile phones. Telugu Wiki projects. We are having Wiki books, Wikisource, and Wiktionary. That is a dictionary of articles on words. And Wiki codes. In Wikisource, we have 7,158 articles of literary value. Regarding Wiki community, Wikipedia is being promoted by eTelugu organization in Andhra Pradesh. It is conducting workshops for enthusiasts to teach techniques of writing for Wikipedia. It is also conducting one-day marathons for Wikipedians to aid the articles and update the articles in Wikipedia. eTelugu proposes to conduct many more marathons in 2012 for further propagation of Wikipedia. I am glad to inform you that I am the Vice President of the organization eTelugu. I thank Arjun Rao Chavala, President Wikipedia India chapter, for helping us in conducting the workshops in Andhra Pradesh. Articles about Telugu Wikipedia are published in eTelugu, are published in Telugu media, which is attracting more people towards Wikipedia and who are contributing, who are joining and contributing to the Wikipedia. In addition to the print media, we are also canvassing about Wikipedia in the electronic media such as TV media, so that more people are attracted towards Wikipedia. As in the past, we propose to write about Wikipedia in the print media as well as the TV media, so that we will be able to attract more talent to Telugu Wikipedia. Thank you.
Thank you, Rao. So, we already told we have Wikipedias in more than 20 languages, out of which already 14 language communities came forward and present the state of their Wikipedia. But the potential of Wikipedias in India, Indian languages is not at over. We have 20 other Indian languages that is waiting to become live Wikipedias. Mr. Kundan Abhinav, who is working mainly on Angika Wikipedia, will give a general overview of the Indian languages which are in incubator.
Good evening, friends. I will basically discuss the Indic languages status in Wikimedia incubator projects. There are certain languages which are still in incubator, and we are required to mobilize the community to encourage the community to work upon their respective languages in order to get it a live wiki project, live Wikipedia, or you can say full-fledged Wikipedia. These are the list of languages which are still in incubator. Among these, it is Angika, Awadhi, Badaga, Bhili, Bodo, Chhattisgarhi, Dogri, and Kannikaram, Kokbodo, Konkani, Kumaini, Kachi, Maithili, Manipuri, Mizo, Rajasthani, Santhali, Saurashtra, Tamang, and Tulu. Basically, number of articles varies from 2 number of articles to 500 articles, and maximum number of articles available in Angika. You will be surprised to know that though Rajasthan is having more than 2 crores of population, but Rajasthani language is still in incubator. Like Konkani is still in incubator, and like other Dogri is still in incubator. Then Chhattisgarhi is still in incubator. There are a lot of potentials lying with these languages to become full-fledged this Wikipedia. So I will now discussing how to start the Wikipedia in Indic languages. Suppose you want to, these are the, I have just shown the list of languages, but more languages can be added in this list, and you can start Wikipedia in your language of choice if you know the languages and you want to put it in on Wikipedia. So there is a very simple process. but the most important thing is you have to get one ISO code for any languages, which is to be start as a Wikimedia incubator projects. So first of all, one ISO code is required, which can be obtained from this Norway by applying with proper documentation for the languages. Then you have to sufficient number of living native speakers so that viable community and audiences can be encouraged to develop the that language Wikipedia. Then you have to create an account on Wikimedia Incubator and make your account global so that it can be log in from any other wiki projects. And you first log in MetaWiki and then create an account and just fill up this information like language code. First of all is language code, which is ISO code. Then all other information are required to be filled up. Then you just submit it. Then after submission, you just create a project. Then you have to log in translatewiki.net, where you are required to translate all the interfaces required to be the Wikipedia for the language. And you have to put the request for new languages. There is a request for new languages page in MetaWiki, and then you get a Wikimedia wiki. So there are status page and where you can see what is the number of articles available in that particular language, and how many users and how many contributors are there in certain language projects. And thereafter, after going through the status of articles, language community, there is a language committee which review all the things, and thereafter it is approved as full-fledged Wikipedia of that language. Okay. Then once it is approved, then all the articles available in this incubator projects is imported in this full-fledged Wikipedia with their history, as you see in other full-fledged Wikipedia projects. Thank you.
So thank you all. As you can see, there's a whole lot of work to be done, and it's nice to see many of the communities have a lot of passion and ideas and what needs to be done. I think what we will probably need to do now is drop a plan for each of these projects in terms of what needs to be achieved before the next year, which is what I think Siju has also initiated as part of the Indic language initiative. So thank you all for your time, and thanks, and we are closing this session formally.